Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and discuss some of the important and interesting general knowledge questions that you can include in your school morning assembly. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First question is, what is the smallest bone in the human body? The answer is the stapes or stirrup that is present in the middle of our ears. Next question. What spacecraft landed humans on the moon for the first time? What spacecraft landed humans on the moon for the first time? The answer is Apollo 11. Next question. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Let me repeat the question. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? The answer is William Shakespeare. Next question. What is the largest ocean on Earth? What is the largest ocean on the Earth? The answer is the Pacific Ocean. Next question. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Who painted the famous painting Mona Lisa? The answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Next question. What is the capital city of New Zealand? What is the capital city of New Zealand? The answer is Wellington. Next question. What is the largest organ in the human body? What is the largest organ in the human body? The answer is the skin. This video contains questions from almost all the subjects. You can choose these types of questions that are easy to answer yet interesting to learn for your school morning assembly. Next question. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The answer is diamond. Next question. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? The answer is carbon dioxide. Next question. Who developed the theory of relativity? Who developed the theory of relativity? The answer is Albert Einstein.